Have you ever opened an email in Outlook and thought the text looked way too small or just a little too big? Today, I'll show you how to easily adjust your zoom settings in Outlook so your emails are always comfortable to read. First, head straight to your Outlook inbox. Here you'll see all your recent emails. Pick any message you'd like to open, it doesn't matter which one. Once the email is open, take a look at the top of your screen. Among the tabs, you'll notice one called View. Click on it. Inside the View tab, you'll find a button labeled Zoom. This is the key tool for changing how large or small your email text appears. Click Zoom and you'll see options to zoom in, zoom out, or even set a custom level that feels right for your eyes. If you ever want to go back to the original look, there's also a handy reset option. With just one click, everything returns to the default size. That way, you can experiment freely without worrying about messing up your layout. And that's it. You've just learned how to control the zoom in Outlook. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference for readability and reduces eye strain. Try it out the next time you open an email and see what zoom level feels best for you. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped, don't forget to explore more Outlook tips to make your email experience smoother.